Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I am going to share with you recipe of coconut chutney, which is again very simple and healthy, which anyone can prepare at home. And the ingredients which I am going to use are the coconut, which I have already peeled and taken out from the coconut shell, and one green chili, salt, water, and this is the chana dal, and which can be eaten without cooking. So this I am going to use it with the chutney. Now I am going to chop this green chili. This coconut into the small pieces. Now after chopping this, we are going to grind it, and the reason for chopping is so that it easily gets grind in the grinder. This grinder. I'm going to take around approximately 2 to 3 spoons of this. It is enough for preparing the chutney. Adding this is it will add a taste, and it will also add a consistency to the chutney. Add around half cup of water, 1 spoon salt with this. After grinding also, if you want to keep it for 2-3 days. See, the consistency of chutney after grinding is the medium thick. It is up to your taste. If you want it to keep it till this thick, you can stop it. If you want to make it very thin paste, you can add a little 1 spoon of water and grind it again, and it is ready to eat and serve with dosa and chilla and dhokla. I want to make it a more thin paste, so I am going to grind it again. See, now it has been little thin paste. Grind it again in a bowl. Now our delicious and simple and healthy coconut chutney is ready to serve with any of the dishes like dhokla, idli, dosa, chilla, appe. And I hope you liked the video and you enjoyed the process. Please share your reviews and feedback. Subscribe our channel. Thank you.